Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be making some holographic resin creations, but we're going to be doing a freestyle pour, something a little bit different than I've done before. Usually when I make these, I'll go in with a glitter layer and fill in the line details of the mold, and then the next day fill up the mold the rest of the way with a different color. But today we're just going to have fun and pour these and see how they turned out. So here, this is some of my sparkling snow glitter. You can get it from my Etsy shop. I mixed that in with some clear resin, and I was just adding a little bit to each of my molds here. You can get these molds from Julie Art's website. I'll link them down below. And now I'm going to go in with some of my Ice Queen glitter. This was just mixed with clear resin. It's a fine iridescent white glitter. It's just adding that to the dragonfly. I didn't have very much mixed up of that one, so I only added the Ice Queen to the dragonfly. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of black alcohol ink mixed with clear resin and add that to the dragonfly as well. And I'm using the Liquid Diamonds resin today. I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step-by-step how I mix my resin, I will link my 1-minute mixing tutorial down below in the description box. In that video, I show you step-by-step how to mix your resin. And now I'm going to add some pearl white mica powder mixed with clear. I'm going to add that to all 3 of these pieces on the hummingbirds and the dragonfly. This was just kind of like a freestyle pour. Like I said, I wanted to see how they would turn out if I just had fun, went in with no real plan, and they actually turned out really, really pretty. So definitely this is a great technique if you just want to have fun, get creative, use colors that you like together. They still turn out super beautiful. And this was mostly clear, but I did have a little bit of sparkling snow glitter mixed in, but it was just mostly clear resin. I was just adding that to each of the molds to fill them up the rest of the way. And that's going to be really it. I'm going to let them cure overnight, and then we'll be ready to take them out of the molds. Here we are the next day. We're going to take this dragonfly out first. On this one, I kind of wanted to show the difference if you add some black to it. On the hummingbirds, I didn't add any black. You can see how pretty it turned out. Super, super beautiful. I love, love, love the way these turned out. It's a really fun and easy technique. And I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box. If you click the More button next to the video title, that will open up the description box and there'll be direct links to everything I used in my video. And definitely check out my Etsy shop for some beautiful glitters. I have a lot of really pretty colors available and they're super affordable. And this one here, I accidentally overfilled it. You can see at the top, I accidentally filled it up a little bit too much. So I'll just go in with my nippers and trim off that excess, no big deal. But when you're doing that type of thing, cleaning up resin, you want to make sure you wear eye protection, gloves, wear your mask if you're sanding and all that good stuff. I've had, when I'm cleaning up overspill, I've had the pieces of resin go flying, and you don't want to get hit in the eye with one of those, so definitely wear some eye protection when you're cleaning up your resin pieces. But look at how soft and pretty these turned out. So, so gorgeous. I love, love, love them. And I wanted to add a little bit of clear at the end to kind of help that sun catcher effect. When I make these, I like to turn them into sun catchers. So what I'll do is I just take my little drill. This drill is from Let's Resin. I have a short 1-minute video showing you how to put the drill together and all that good stuff. I'll link that video down below if you want to go check it out. But I just drill a little hole in the top and the bottom, attach my eye screw. I just screw it in there. Some people will add like E6000 glue or resin to their screw when they screw it in. I found that you don't need to do that. You can really feel this screw tighten when you're screwing it into the resin piece. And the glass crystal beads I use on these are not very heavy, so you don't need to add UV resin or anything like that to the eye screw. You can if you want to, but I personally don't. And then I just install my glass crystal beads, and now you have a sun catcher. Super beautiful. I get these beads off Amazon. I'll link them down below as well. They're already strung together with the jump rings and the beads. Super easy to make these, and they're for indoor use only. Just wanted to throw that out there in case you guys make these. Resin doesn't do super good in hot temperatures, so they're for indoor use only. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one's your favorite. Do you like the hummingbirds better or the dragonflies? And when I added the clear on that last layer, I wanted to put a little bit of transparency in there because that really helps the sunlight shine through the piece, and that gives you the really pretty rainbows. But let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another video.